Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wanting to streamline your trading experience by connecting your TradeNation account directly to TradingView, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to link your accounts, so you can analyze charts and execute trades all in one seamless workflow. Let's dive right in and set this up together. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView in your browser. If you're not sure, just head to TradingView.com, super easy. Once TradingView loads up, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with different options. Think of this as your dashboard for navigating everything TradingView has to offer. Here, you want to click on the option called Products. Don't rush this part. Make sure you're selecting Products, because this is where all of TradingView's different features and extensions are organized. After you've clicked Products, a drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of different tools and services. Trust me, there's a lot you can explore here, but for our purpose, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Trading Panel. Sometimes it sits near the end of the list, so don't worry if you need to take a moment to find it. Clicking on Trading Panel brings up a new area focused on connecting to live brokers, and this is the gateway for linking external trading accounts like TradeNation. Now, once the Trading Panel interface is visible, you should see a section with the option to select all brokers. Don't let this part confuse you. TradingView connects with a variety of brokers, and clicking here ensures you see the complete list rather than just a featured few. This is important, especially if your broker isn't showing up right away. You don't want to miss it just because it's hidden under a filter. With the full list of brokers on screen, your next step is to scroll through and locate TradeNation. Sometimes, especially if you have a lot of brokers to choose from, it might take a few moments to scan the options, but don't worry, you'll spot TradeNation's logo soon enough. When you do find it, go ahead and click on it. This will start the process to link your TradeNation account to TradingView. After you select TradeNation, TradingView will prompt you to connect. Hit the Connect button. It's usually pretty straightforward, but if you don't see it at first, maybe give the page a quick refresh. Once you click Connect, a secure login window should pop up. This is where you'll enter your TradeNation account credentials, just like you normally do when accessing your brokerage account directly. Take your time entering your username and password. Double check for typos since login errors can be frustrating. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, it might ask for that as well, so have your phone handy just in case. And honestly, that's it. When you've logged in successfully, your TradeNation account is now connected to your TradingView profile. You'll be able to manage trades straight from TradingView's sleek interface and take advantage of their charting tools without having to juggle multiple platforms. If at any point you get stuck, remember, it's okay to backtrack a step or refresh the page. Sometimes technology just needs a moment. Thanks so much for following along today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!